Good evening, friends. In my previous lecture, I have explained meaning of regression and regression model. Now, friends, in my previous lecture, I have already explained independent variable and dependent variable. Now, friends, I'll give some in-depth knowledge and some certain examples of independent and dependent variable. Friends, what is the actual meaning of independent variable and dependent variable? Let me explain in a very simple way. Friends, independent variable means what? So independent variable means a value which is already given in the question. Estimated value which is already given in the question. Such values are known as independent variable. And dependent variable means what? So dependent variable means a variable which is depends on independent variable, means a value which is not given, a variable which has no value, which has no estimated value, which we need to find out estimated value. So this type of variable is called dependent variable. See, friends, mostly in our syllabus, generally x is known as independent variable because the value of x has already given, and based on x we have to find out y cap, which is called estimated value of y, which is known as dependent variable. So friends, it is very clear over here that y is depends on variable y is depends on variable x. See, friends, I'll show you some illustration based on this so you can easily get the idea that what is the actual meaning of independent variable and dependent variable. You may see here, friends, advertisement cost, right? Friends, when the advertisement cost of any organization increases, so but obvious sales will also increase, right? So friends, directly or indirectly, sales of any organization, somehow it is depends on its advertisement cost. Means, until and unless if the organization has increased their advertisement expense, so but obvious their sales will increase itself. So can we say that sales is depends on advertisement cost? Yes or no? Sales, it is always depends on advertisement cost. No doubt there are several other factors are also there which increase sales of the organization, but I am talking about the main factor which is related to our practical problem, right? So you can assume x equals to advertisement cost and y equals to sales. So friends, in practical problems, value of x is given, which is called estimated value, and based on this estimated value we have to find out value of sales. So here we can easily prove that sales is dependent on advertisement cost, and that's the reason advertisement cost is known as independent variable and sales is known as dependent variable. In the similar way, friends, I'll show you the next example: heavy rainfall and yield of rice. Friends, suppose if the rainfall is very high in this year, so but obvious yield of rice that is also very high. So we can say that yield of a rice, it is fully depends on heavy rainfall. If the rainfall is very heavy, then and then only yield of rice is high. So it means it's a very clear, friends, yield of rice, it is depends on heavy rainfall. So heavy rainfall, it's an independent variable, and yield of a rice, it's a dependent variable, right? So in our question, value of x, estimated value of x is given, and based on estimated value of x we have to find out estimated value of y. So this is all about the certain examples of independent variable and dependent variable, right?